Okay, we're back in West Seattle again, finishing up the ceramics house. We've got the two lines coming up, 1.25" and 1" valve. We go in 1.25". There will be another regulator. We're not yet done. Everything's a lot of steps around here. There's the underground we had to repair because they kicked it with the backhoe. And then, oh no, they shut me out. We go up, in, we have the pole boiler, come across galvanized pipe, painted all my threads, painted my fittings on that. And of course we got the big old house. Everybody out kayaking and having fun. I'm working. And we come in. We've got a stub down for the ceramics kiln, and we got a stub up for a tankless water heater. And if we walk out, this is her little ceramics room. This is where her wheel and her work table will be, kiln back in the corner. And we got all the people out there kayaking. Oh, there they are. Oh, let's go big. Oh, there they are. Okay. Well, kids out playing on the beach. It must be nice to live down here. That hot tub gets changed out. That's the old one in the original. And the house still under construction 4 years later.